the dust. Don't try that at home, folks.
Ooh, speakers. Aftermarket?
Dude got stereo. That's the joke. On the fence. Yeah.
So we have a little snap on the bottom that unsnaps the cover. Button.
Snippity snap.
Oh, that's slick. New cars aren't that easy.
Because new cars aren't as cool as Oldsmobile.
See that?
Did you loosen this one yet?
This one I don't have to do. It's kind of I need a wrench.
Sure. Make any difference?
I think so.
Yeah, okay.
Grab a wrench from the shop then. Get those two, so it's probably the same. Whoa!
Motion in the ocean.
Ooh, this one's been protected from the sun a little bit better. Greenhouse.
Beautiful.
Nope.
Make your car sick.
Look at these ones, they're kind of
Hurt yourself.
tennis shot.
Right after the coronavirus.
Yep, I'm not getting that one. Ow! Nope, not getting those. Alright, well, that was failed. Failed attempt.
They're just not going on?
Well, they're kind of concave, so it doesn't go on very far.
Right.
So it kind of slips. Maybe with a flatter socket and impact it might. Let me see that. Not enough gumption.
Yeah, it's not a...
Oh well, that was the start. Let's just push this thing out behind us and move all the other car parts out of the way.
Okie dokie.
Oh, it feels real light now.
We're clear if we straighten out.
Scared at me.
Ooh, mud on the bottom of the tires.
Get out of here.
Woo! Well, she look good in the light, don't she?
Oh yeah.
This is race car.
It's not wrecked. It's straight.
Well, you're probably all wondering, what the blankety blank are these two idiots doing? Well, we just spent, I don't know, what was that? Half hour, 45 minutes?
Yeah, not too long.
Of course, the front sheet metal wasn't bolted on with more than a couple of bolts, but pulled the doors, pulled a couple of the seat belts, or tried to get the backs out, but their inserts are a little concave, so we can't get the socket on there. And my sockets have a little taper on the inside. But pulled the trunk lid off to lighten the load. We are seriously considering here very quickly about possibly getting the body off this chassis. Although we need to do a little bit of metal work first. Windshield was not attached, so it came right out. It needs a bit of work. We're just going to focus on the floors, because you know we got driver's side pretty rough there. I've got a patch panel for that. I've got the patch panels for the trunk. That hump is a little bit rough, but we'll have to clean it up and see how bad it is. And I think the passenger floor was all right. If anything, there might be enough good metal on the side here, because I'm thinking pull the whole pan out. But there she is out in the light with its Chevy Malibu wheels.
Oh, look, somebody else's wheels and
Oh,
tires.
wonder where those are from. You know what those would look really good on?
A Jimmy?
Yeah. So we're gonna get this stuff cleared out of here. Moved around. You never got fork extensions, did you? Or fork attachments?
Huh?
Did you ever get fork attachments? That'd make it real easy to move that aeroplane engine. So yeah, this is going to be the scene of the body swap or body removal. So let Kevin do all the hard work. I'll just run the camera for a few minutes. Here's the frame with all the goodies in it. For now, for now. But, I think that's going to do it for this one. Here's all the bits we pulled off. These fenders are junk. Might be salvageable. That one's not too bad, but this one's pretty rough, especially down low. But I have a plan for these. We'll see if that goes through. There's the doors, hood, trunk, windshield. Windshield's going in the garbage. It is some trash. Fogged and cracked. But we did that to lighten the car. So, okay, we're gonna shut this thing off and help move some stuff. See y'all later. Bye-bye.